Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a quick review on my Shirley Fab V basket. Do I regret it? Do I like it? Do I love it? We're going to find out in this video. This is the Shirley Fabrication upgraded V basket. This thing is awesome. Just the V tapered itself, it shifts all the coals, hot coals and wood down in a V tapered shape, and that keeps you from having to come out and rake it up. Is it a necessity? No, but it just makes it one step easier cooking on the offset. Everybody know offset is a cooker you cannot go to sleep on. You cannot set it and forget it. You cannot leave the house and run errands. So I think this, along with an insulated firebox, makes it that much easier on a offset and fire management. Like I said, for me and my style of cooking, I start off with one chimney full of unlit lump charcoal and one stick of hickory or oak. Here's a picture, guys, of me getting ready to start my fire. Guys, just a quick recap. Once my fire is going, my smokers heat up. I add 1 to 2 sticks every 35 minutes to an hour, just depending on my temperature range. I do cook a little hotter and faster than normal, so I burn through a little bit more fuel than normal. And my stick sizes are anywhere from 3 inches to about 16 to 17 inches. And along with the V basket and the insulated firebox, I think it's a great combination. I hit it with the weed burner in the back on both sides, front on both sides. Then I hit that stick until it lights up with fire, a full fire. It doesn't have to be the whole stick, but I do like to get some fire on the front, the back, the middle, some of the stick, and that lets me know we're cooking and that stick is already heated up. Then I shut it, I close my door, leave my vents, just depending where I'm at. I make sure I have enough air. Wanted to show you guys this cold bed. This is a 275-degree cold bed for my smoker. I'm already heated up. The cooker been running for a while, so cooker's up to temp. And there's a little bit of red hot coals. So my personal opinion, I love the V basket. I think it's well worth it. Just one less step you have to do with an offset. Give you more minutes of your coal, more minutes unattending it, and more minutes hands-free. So the V basket is a go. I recommend it. Get it. I love it. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. Until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7.